Metro precision measuring devices. Since 1986, Metro designs and manufactures a complete range of high-performance electronic products for gauging applications. The application of our products is wide, from the simple manual gauging applications to the integration in fully automated sorting machines. Our products allows our customers to reach their zero default target. It makes possible to interface a large variety of gauging tools, LVDT and incremental probes, air gauges or even hand measuring tools. Our products are completely developed internally: electronic boards, embedded softwares, mechanical parts. This expertise allows to offer our customers high-performance products with a cost control and great durability. Over the last years, Metro has invested in a modern and automated production tool for a complete mastery of the production in terms of quality and lead times. The mechanical parts of our products are made in-house on a 5-axis machining center with a robotic loading. All the electronic boards are also manufactured by Metro. Serigraphy, SMD pick and place and soldering, selective soldering of traditional components with robotic loading, 100% optical control of the manufactured boards. The assembly workshop is the last step of the manufacturing before the calibration in our temperature-controlled lab. The devices are then fully tested and calibrated before shipping. We export to more than 35 countries worldwide, and our commercial strategy is based on a network of highly qualified agents and distributors for whom we ensure a regular training on our products. Based in the French Alps between the Mont Blanc and the Lake Geneva, we have opened a new factory in January 2019. We decided to build it green by using high insulation renewable materials and a wood structure. With our large solar energy production, we can run the site with a very reduced external power. For further information, please visit our website www.metro-fr.com.